Get ready for some serious drama in Brahmamuddi. Raj and Kavya's love story is finally taking off, but not without a hefty dose of family politics. Yamini, Raj's fiancée, is clearly not going to give up without a fight, and her rivalry with Kavya is heating up. With Aparna's secret out, Kavya is caught in a tough spot. Can she win back Raj's heart while navigating this tricky situation? Find out what happens next in this gripping tale of love and resilience. In the latest episode of Brahmamuddi, Raj and Kavya's love story takes center stage, even as it faces significant hurdles. While their feelings begin to blossom, Yamini, Raj's fiancée, remains fiercely opposed to their relationship, fueling an intense rivalry with Kavya. Yamini, after exposing Kavya's connection to Aparna, taunts Kavya about her powerlessness, claiming any action against her will endanger Raj. Kavya retorts that Raj's safety is the only reason she hasn't retaliated. Undeterred, Yamini vows to make Raj hers, prompting Kavya to assert the validity of her marriage and her belief that Raj will ultimately accept her. Left with few options after this confrontation, Kavya prays for the strength and opportunity to reclaim her husband. Meanwhile, the Duggirala family attempts to mend the rift between Raj and Kavya. Their meeting is fraught with tension as Raj angrily confronts them about their perceived deception and Kalavati's secretive behavior. He recounts his attempts to connect with Kavya, including visiting her at home and calling her after his accident, only to be met with silence and hostility. The family explains Kalavati's actions, revealing her love for Raj and her desire to marry him. They also disclose that Kalavati longed to speak with Raj and even sent him food as a gesture of affection. Learning the truth about Kalavati's feelings, Raj declares his intention to propose to Kavya immediately, despite knowing she's currently angry with him and his engagement to Yamini poses a significant obstacle. He firmly states his decision to reject Yamini, having realized his true feelings for Kalavati. The Duggirala family, while supportive, warns him of the challenges ahead, advising him to patiently win Kavya over. Raj accepts the challenge, vowing to do whatever it takes. He even humorously commits to enduring Kalavati's scolding and appeasing her anger. Raj's subsequent visit to the Duggirala house is met with shock and apprehension. While Aparna and Dhanyalakshmi warmly welcome him, Kavya and Rudrani are stunned by his presence. Rudrani, fearing their plan will be exposed, grows increasingly anxious, especially with Rahul's innocent questions about Raj's identity. The family struggles to maintain their charade when Raj inquires about Subhash's son, leading to a series of comical misunderstandings and near exposures. Kavya, exasperated by her family's lies, confronts Raj, who simply states he came for breakfast. Their tense exchange ends with Kavya physically escorting him out. Outside, Raj persists, asking Kavya to reveal her true feelings. She refuses, forbidding him from returning. Undeterred, Raj declares her house his permanent address and vows to pursue her relentlessly. The episode concludes with Sitaramya reassuring Kavya that Raj will continue his pursuit, hinting at the family's ongoing plan. The episode leaves viewer captivated by the developing love story, Yamini's simmering anger, and the mounting challenges faced by Ram and Rudrani, leaving the future of all these intertwined relationships uncertain. Brahmamuddi's latest episode leaves us pondering the delicate balance of love and family. Will Raj and Kavya's budding romance bloom amidst the thorns of Yamini's fury? And can Ram and Rudrani weather this storm? Next week's episode promises high drama, leaving the fate of these intertwined lives hanging in the balance. Stay tuned.